Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by powering off the iPad mini and removing any SIM or case so nothing interferes. Apply controlled heat along the display edge with an eye opener or warm cloth to soften adhesive. This reduces prying damage. Use a suction cup near the edge and pull gently while inserting a plastic pick. You want a small gap, not a full lift. Once done, work clockwise and make small openings. This prevents LCD or digitizer stress and reveals the clips progressively. Once the front glass is lifted like a book from the top edge, make sure to prop it so cables aren't strained. This protects the digitizer ribbon. Remove the metal shield screws methodically, keeping screw types organized because lengths differ. Use a plastic spudger to disconnect the battery first to avoid shorting, then unplug the display and digitizer connectors. You're isolating power and data paths. Make sure connectors click free without pulling on cables directly, which can tear delicate contacts. You finish by freeing any remaining adhesive tabs with gentle heat or a solvent swab and lift the screen assembly clear. If replacing, transfer adhesive strips or apply new pre-cut adhesive to ensure proper seal and pressure distribution. Reconnect the display and digitizer, then reconnect the battery and power on to test touch and image before you reseal. This avoids reopening. If touch fails, make sure connectors are fully seated and screw shields replaced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.